supposed to breathe with no air.
Mr. Undercover R&B. Mr. Undercover.
Before I wake.
Min? Min?
Oh, hi Tracy.
Hello. I'm looking for Min.
She's there. Come in.
Thank you.
Anna, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have something to ask you about our assignment in physics.
OMG, I forgot it.
It's all about Andre's Ampere. It's here.
I think my sister can help us.
Okay.
Sis,
Oh, yes, why?
can you help us in our assignment in physics?
What's your assignment all about?
It's all about Andre's Ampere.
Oh, let me show you a video.
Marie Ampere. Andre Marie Ampere is best known for defining a way to measure the flow of current, which was named after him, the ampere. He also laid the foundation for the science of electrodynamics. Ampere was a French physicist and science teacher who lived from 1775 to 1836. Among his accomplishments was figuring out a way to measure the strength of a magnetic field in relation to an electric current, known as Ampere's theorem. Ampere's law is a rule that deals with the mutual interaction of current-carrying wires. The ampere was originally defined as 1/10 of the CGS system electromagnetic unit of current, the amount of current which generates a force of 2 dynes per centimeter of length between two wires 1 centimeter apart. The size of the unit was chosen so that units derived from it in the MKSA system would be conveniently sized. The International Ampere was an early realization of the ampere, defined as the current that would deposit 0.00111,800 grams of silver per second from a silver nitrate solution. Later, more accurate measurements revealed that this current is 0.999858. The ampere is most accurately realized with using a watt balance, but is in practice maintained via Ohm's law from the units of electromotive force and resistance, the volt and the ohm, since the latter two can be tied to physical phenomena that are relatively easy to reproduce, the Josephson junction and the quantum Hall effect respectively. At present, techniques to establish the realization of an ampere have a relative uncertainty of approximately a few parts in 107 and involve realizations of the watt, the ohm, and the volt. Ampere's force law states that there is an attractive force between two parallel wires carrying an electric current. This force is used in the formal definition of the ampere, which states that it is the constant current which will reproduce an attractive force of 2 times 10 minus 7 newtons per meter of length between two straight, parallel conductors of infinite length and negligible circular cross-section placed 1 meter apart in a vacuum. Yay! Now we can answer our assignment in physics.
Yes!
Thanks,
Thanks,
Ate.
Sure, anything about physics?
So we need to go.
Okay.
Bye!
Bye!
possibility.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. Well, you